So before this video gets started, if you want to sign up for a brand new company that just got $1.5 million in funding, they're giving more funds to drivers, more protections to drivers, benefits to drivers. If you ever get in a car crash, if you ever get hospitalized, if you ever get sick, you will keep your income as an Uber and Lyft driver for any gig apps. They're sending same day transfers, money transfers. If you ever get deactivated, they'll help you get your account back. They are awesome. The company is called Cover, and all these benefits and protections start at $7 a month. However, if you use my link, because they're a brand new company, there's a special offer. You'll get 30 days for free. You'll get full access to all this stuff, so you can try it out, no risk, no commitments. No annual contracts, none of that. You'll get your first 30 days for free if you use my link in the description down below to sign up for Cover to get you covered. Okay, now let's get on to the video. Breaking news, Uber and Lyft is not shutting down. Uber and Lyft is not getting shut down. This is not the end of Uber and Lyft. This is great, fantastic news for rideshare drivers, or is it the worst news ever? That's what we're gonna be talking about in today's breaking news videos. Make sure to subscribe and destroy that. Smash the subscribe button. And also give this video a big thumbs up just as a thank you for me to, be reporting to you this live. It's not an actual live video, but it's coming to you as quickly as possible. I just got the news and I dropped everything that I was doing, and now I'm going to share this with you guys. Look at this. This is absolutely crazy. Uber and Lyft win a reprieve and won't quit California for now. Uber and Lyft will not suspend service in California after court gives them more time. Am I dreaming? Is this a movie? What's going on? I can't believe this is actually going down. Uber and Lyft given extension in landmark case about driver labor. Appeals court grants stay for Uber and Lyft to continue operations. ABC, we got NBC, we got CBS, NPR, Wired, ZDNet. This is absolutely crazy, guys. Turn on your TVs because Uber and Lyft is not ending. Wow, this is crazy. Former Uber executive charged with paying hush money to conceal massive breach. Uber and Lyft receive reprieve. Reprieve? I don't know what it is, but this is crazy. Let's check this out on NPR. Uber Lyft will not suspend service in California after court gives them more time. 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Guys, that was 50 minutes ago. Wow, that's absolutely crazy, guys. And just imagine, earlier today I created a video called The End of Uber and how I thought Uber and Lyft was shutting down, but really, Uber and Lyft has won again. They are smart somehow. Let's check it out. Let's react together. Uber and Lyft spent the last week threatening to shut down their ride-hailing services in California at the stroke of midnight on Thursday. Let's just say I guess that threat worked, and the government was like, okay, let's hold on a second. But the company's got a last-minute reprieve from complying with the judge's order. What the heck is a reprieve? Reprieve, define. Do you guys know what the heck that means? Cancel or postpone. Basically, they just canceled it. Why don't they just say cancel? Why do you gotta use these fancy words, okay? On Thursday afternoon, that's right now, an appeals court said the companies can keep operating with their drivers as independent contractors while they fight the order. Oh my gosh. This means that Uber and Lyft could be back up for months. The court has also given the companies until early September to come up with plans. Well, they got about 2 more weeks. Oh, just to come up with the plans. Oh my gosh. The threatened shutdown would have hundreds of thousands of drivers without work and millions of customers with one fewer transportation option in Cali, which is among both companies' biggest markets. Last week's order by San Francisco. Guys, this is crazy. If you're an Uber or Lyft driver in California, you are now just given, I mean, I don't know if this is good or bad, but basically, I mean, this is allowing people to stay on. I just created this post in my Facebook group this morning. Check it out. I go, you guys don't want to miss this. I go, if you're a full-time Uber or Lyft driver in California, what are your plans with the shutdown happening? That was 3 hours ago. 80 comments. Appeals court grants reprieve. What will this actually mean for other states? Business as usual? When is the shutdown? Nothing has happened yet. Wow, this is crazy. Getting a real job. Wow, Maxwell Riles. Hater alert. Look at this dude. He's just chilling like a chipmunk. Absolutely crazy, guys. The law makes it harder for companies to claim workers, blah, blah, blah. That's AB5. We've heard it time and time again. This is absolutely crazy. Uber CEO right now must be literally jumping with joy because they're now able to still underpay drivers. The company has poured, look at this, $110 million into a Yes on 22 campaign. So basically now in November, they have a Yes on 22 campaign. If Prop 22 fails and companies don't prevail in their appeal, Uber and Lyft would have to rethink their business model in Cali, which is both their home state and host to some of their biggest markets. Lyft has said in legal filings that complying with AB5 would mean restructuring its business and changing its relationship with drivers by, for example, drastically reducing their flexibility and taking control over their time and manage as employees. Some drivers say the flexibility to work when and where they want attracted them to the platform. If you're an Uber or Lyft driver right now, smash the thumbs up button and comment down below. Do you prefer having that flexibility? Dang, I look buff right now, bro. Oh, who's trying to work it? Oh, whoa, look at that. Oh, trying to get a workout in, bro. Oh, guys, this is absolutely nuts. This is crazy, crazy news. Not good for, you know, the government, but I don't know why they gave him an additional time. I guess they just didn't want to cut everybody off automatically. And I mean, in my opinion, they're just trying to create a more smooth, trickling sensation of a transition rather than just a whole, boom, done. And I guess Uber and Lyft's threatened to shut down actually worked. Once again, Uber and Lyft is the winner and the drivers are the losers. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching today's video. That's the big update as of now. I'll keep you guys posted as more news comes in. So make sure to smash the subscribe button so you don't miss that update on the news. I will talk to y'all soon. Have a great day. And wow, I can't believe this is crazy, guys. This has been another episode of the Rideshare Hub. See y'all next time. Peace.